Fly through here again. We can do it. We got it. Oh no! What's happening? What's happening? No! Okay, hello ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. Um Today we are playing Super Flight. I don't know if you know what this game is. Honestly, I didn't know what this game was for a long time, and it's not very popular. So I feel like chances are you don't know what this game is. It's kind of like a little hidden gem, honestly. It's super simple. You kind of just glide around and not crash, and you get a high score. And I'm gonna try to beat my high score. My high score is 34,000. So I'm gonna try to beat my high score, and then also I'm gonna try to get as many cool moves as you possibly can get. So I don't know what that's gonna look like. I don't know how it's gonna go, honestly, but it's a fun game, so I figured we'd check it out. Let's just jump in it and play, and I'll show you guys what it's about. So you have this little guy, and you're gliding around, and you kind of just are supposed to. Oh dang! You're kind of just supposed to glide through, and you get points for being close to objects. So the closer you get to objects, the more points you get. So we got a lot of points there. 2K. You can even go through those little portals, and it brings you to a different map. So it's actually a really simple game. Like, the premise of it is really not complex at all. But I think this map is like randomly generated. They have a bunch of different types of shapes and types of maps that are, I think, procedurally made. So you can end up having a crap ton of different maps. And again, you can even make maps too. So really cool idea of a game, in my opinion. But yeah, let's just try to see what we can get here. We can do that. Oh, dang! It's pretty easy to control the guy, but what's hard is finding cool spots to begin with. Wow, we almost went in there. And then also not only finding cool spots to fly, but also combining combinations of spots. I have some pretty cool clips I gotta show you. I'm not really doing that. I honestly don't really like this map. So we're gonna change maps. But I got some cool clips I gotta show you. Ooh, check this out. Okay, so you can see what I mean. It's kind of similar, but it's still different. It's procedurally made. Ooh. Oh, we might be able to do that actually. Let's see if we can get something cool from this. Where was it? Oh, it was right there. I already forgot where it was at. Okay. There we go. There we go. There we go. Yes! We did it! That was fun. See, you like make the little challenges for yourself, and you just see how many points you can get. It's really simple. It's really basic, but I love it. I love games like this. I feel like this should be like a phone game or something. Honestly, this would be a cool app, like a version of this as an app. There probably already is something like it. Wow. Another area we can fly through. And this game is so relaxing. There we go. Let's fly through here again. We can do it. We got it. Oh no! What's happening? What's happening? No! What the fuck? I would argue we made that. Okay, we got a new map. Let's see if this is any better. We got some points here. I think, again, we're not going for tricks. We're just trying to get a high score. So I really shouldn't be doing stuff like that. Oh. Or that. But we're getting a lot of points. So honestly, it's whatever. Oh, we shouldn't have done that. Okay, that was stupid. Our goal is just to survive as long as possible. So that's what we're going to try and do. Not going to do anything too dangerous, but still Aw. I still want to do cool shit, you know? Got some points there. Really want to get this in here. There we go. 2 grand right there. If we get this, that's another... There we go. Another 5k. Not too bad, not too bad. Let's not fly into that. Alright, there we go. We're doing good. Zooming through this shit. There's not much down there. Close. Oh no. Slowing down. We gotta go faster. Here we go. We're probably gonna end up going through a few maps if we're not gonna try to do combos. So let's go to the next map. Okay. This is kind of cool. More blocky. So we could have gone more inland. I don't want to go too much, like, into the map, because I don't want to get caught somewhere, you know? So I'm trying to kind of play it safe. Here we go. Surprised we didn't get too many points from that. This map kind of reminds me of Halloween for some reason. Because it's purple, I guess. I don't know. Ooh, here we go. I think we go down here instead. Oh, okay. That wasn't as cool. Here we go. Oh. Oh no, we're slowing down. No, we're slowing down! Ah. Let's go on this side. Let's see what this side's about. Okay. Okay. There we go. Ooh! That's close. Oh, gotta go down. Okay. Let's keep on going. Oh, whoa, what the hell? Dude, this map is crazy. What? Wow. See, this is so unlike any other map. It's like, I almost gotta save it, you know? Wait, can I? Maps? Save current map. There you go. So cool. I come back to this one. Whoa, that was close. We almost died. Get some points here, or are we gonna eat shit? No! Fuck. Alright, I think if we go up here on top, we might have a better chance of getting more points. That's close. Oh, we should have went through that tube. Here, we'll go through this one. Oh, that was close. Go through here. This is so stupid. We can! Yes! Oh, that was awesome! Oh, it was worth it. It was so worth it. That was so cool. Okay. I think we might be able to keep going from that. We have a lot of points, I think. Whoa, look at this place. Kinda reminds me of a place we've already been, but it's like purplish. Almost looks like cotton candy. No, we're going slow. Okay. Here we go. Let's get some tricks in here first. Whoa. Whoa! This is so fun. Oh, we almost did not make that. No! I was gonna go in that hole too, but I was like, nah. And then I thought my arm would like clip it or something and we'd be fine, but dang, we almost got 30k. What's over here? Is this a hole? No. Man, this is so pretty. See, games don't need to have crazy graphics, honestly. They just need to be, like, good, you know? I don't know, they just need to be visually pleasing. That doesn't always mean that they're photorealistic, you know? Like, this game looks absolutely beautiful, and it doesn't look anything like real life. Okay, let's keep going. Whoa, this place is so cool. Dang. I kind of want to save this map. Here we go. We're getting Boogle points. Lots and lots of points. Okay, we kind of went out of the map. We need to go more inland. Here we go. Oh, this is so cool. Such a beautiful game. I know I keep on saying that, but it's just... God. Oh no, go down, go down. We're good. We almost crashed there. Ooh, another one of those weird, like, blocky planets. Oh, we're being stupid. Oh, that was cool, though. Oh. Uh-oh. Dang. Oh, this is so fun. We might actually be close to our high score right now. I'm not too sure. Let's keep on going. Oh, it's almost the same exact map. Okay. It's okay. This is actually a pretty cool map to fly around, so it's fine. Ooh, we're being dangerous. We are being dangerous. It's okay. It's fine. It's paying off. Oh no! I have no idea how we're still flying right now. Oh my god. Holy cow. We nearly crashed. So many times just then, but we're fine. Okay, let's go into this portal. Ooh, okay. Could have maybe gone in there, but... Oh, why are we being stupid right now? Why are we being stupid? Oh, we're being cool! I need to remember we're going for a high score, not for tricks, so I need to not be dangerous, but... I can't help myself, man. What can I say? It's so fun to fly around. Oh, we are being dumb. We may have just fucked up. No! Pull up! Yes! We're fine! I have no idea how we managed to save that. Got an achievement. Get alive. Bro. I almost lost mine. Here we go. Those extra points real quick. Alright, next map. We're actually doing pretty good. Whoa! Okay, I am saving this map. This map looks awesome. It's all golden and stuff. So pretty. Oh, man. Oh, yes! We did it! We got a new high score. Let's go. 44,259. Not bad, not bad. We did go through like 5 maps though, so... You know, but still, pretty good. Alright. I think I'm gonna end this episode here, guys. If you liked it, make sure to click the like button. And if you want subscribe, go for it. Every subscriber, honestly, Bro, anytime I see I get a subscriber, I fucking shit my pants. I'm like, oh my god. Anyways, yeah. But if you want more videos like this, make sure to let me know. Superflight is a really fun game, so make sure to go check it out for yourself. I might even put a link in the description if you want to get it on Steam or something. So, yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time. Adios.